Hello, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Megan, and today is gonna be extra special and extra personal because I'm going to give you a tour of my brand spanking new luxury high-rise Midtown apartment. Let me tell you, this place is so special to me. I have lived in New York City for 16 years, and I've had some less than desirable living arrangements. I used to always put a luxury building with sick views on my vision board. So now that I live here, it's literally a dream come true. So I'm really excited to share this experience with you, and I hope you enjoy it. I am so excited. I don't know about you, I'm excited. Let's go! Not gonna even lie to you guys, I don't spend much time in the kitchen, but I do love to eat and I do really enjoy a great meal. I'm a Taurus, we love food. So it was really important to me when I was looking for new apartments that the kitchen had ample space. And I truly believe that this kitchen is just that. I have a really nice stove, a nice stainless steel microwave, plenty of cabinet space, which I do use actually. So the countertop space is great as well. It fits my Ninja. That's really all that matters. So I give this kitchen an A+ for sure. So being that this is a studio apartment, just for space purposes, it was really, really important for me to have a completely separate area to sleep in and another area to entertain in. So this is, I guess I would consider my living room. Because the space is not as large as your typical 1, 2, or 3 bedroom, I decided to have one statement piece that really just shook up the place. So I opted to get this blue velvet couch. Let me tell you, I get so many compliments on this couch. Opposite of my sofa is my bed. My bed is all the way against the wall. And I felt like for space purposes, that was probably the best thing to do because what I like is this square look. So I like to walk in, my couch is to the right, my bed is directly to the left, coffee table's in the middle, and then TV. So that way everyone is facing the view. So one of many things that we can never seem to get enough of in New York apartments is space, closet space to be specific. I will say, this place did a really, really great job with how they balanced out the closets in this space. Let me show you. So I do think that this place, again, to be a studio, did a really, really great job of how they balance the space because I've got multiple closets here. So I have this one big closet behind me. I have another area here, and then over here where, bear with me guys, I'm trying to get it together. But I put a lot of my beauty products, and then I put some shoes down here. This is more space than I've had in 1 and 2 bedroom apartments that I've had. So I'm really not complaining. I always tell people who are looking for an apartment in the city to decide kind of early on, what are your deal breakers? Now, for me, after living in this city for 16 years, I was like, no, I know exactly what I need in my next apartment. And if the apartment doesn't have it, then I'm not renting it. And this apartment had just that. It is a washer and dryer in unit. Guys, this is so rare, especially for a studio. So many New York City apartments do not have this. This is actually the first apartment that I've lived in New York that had it. And when I saw this, I was like, done, signed, sealed, delivered. This has changed my life. And if you notice, it's a little bit on the small side. I can fit pretty much all of my clothes and everything, even some small blankets, but downstairs we do have the large washers and dryers, so I use that for my comforter and anything else that doesn't fit. But guys, you can't tell me I didn't hit the jackpot. I feel like I hit the jackpot. Directly past my closet and my washer and dryer room, we'll take a quick stroll into my bathroom. Again, like most of the area, I think this was a really, really well-planned bathroom. It's really spacious. You can fit multiple people in here at one time, which is great in case you're ever rushing in the morning, trying to leave. And there's also a really great sized medicine cabinet. One of the most impressive things about my unit, hands down, it's the views. I mean, check this out. You can see One Vanderbilt, the Chrysler Building, Nomad Tower, the New York Life Building, and the Empire State Building. Also looks amazing at night. Like I mentioned before, I just moved into this place. I still have a lot to think about, a lot to decide about how I want to decorate, how I want to move things. So if you have any suggestions, please leave a comment. Again, if you like the video, please hit like and then subscribe so you can see more footage, more things like this that I'm doing, and just more of me.